Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT-4 on a PC or laptop. Open your web browser and search the getcm.com website. Press enter and you will be directed to the website. Click on the downloads option. In this section, you have to select the Windows button. Click on any of the links to start downloading Git for your Windows. It will take a few seconds to download the Git installer. Click on it to open the Git setup window. Review all the instructions and click on Next. Click Next to each instruction and then select the Install button. It will start installing the Git application on your PC. Go to the Git website, scroll down to the end, and there is a link. If you already have Git installed, you can get the latest development v6 via Git itself. After completing the installation of setup, click on the Finish button. Create any folder on your PC and then create a subfolder. For instance, ChatGPT-4. Click on the file path at the top of the folder and type cmd. Press enter and a command box will appear. Paste the Git link here and it will start cloning into Git. Now you have to go to the web browser and search github.com GPT4all. Click on the first link to open the GitHub website. You will find a new GPT-4 options and scroll down. Review all the descriptions and instructions of ChatGPT on their website. You will find the code for ChatGPT-4 and you can use this link to install ChatGPT-4 on your PC. Go to the search bar of your PC and search for ChatGPT-4. You will find it after installation. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.